Hi, let's learn multiples. So multiple is a product of two number when it's multiplied with another number. So when a number is multiplied by another number, we called it multiple. So for example, let's learn it with the help of one example. So 2. So if 2 multiply by 1, we'll get first multiple of 2, which is 2. Second multiple of 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Third multiple of 2 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Fourth multiple of 2 is 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Similarly, first multiple of 3 is 3. Second multiple of 3 is 6. Third multiple of 3 is 9. Fourth multiple of 3 is 12. And in the same manner, first multiple of 4 is 4. Second multiple is 8. Third multiple is 12. 6. Then fourth multiple is 16. So if we look all these multiples, we'll find few things. So let's discuss those things. So first, every number is a multiple of itself. So 2 is the multiple of 2, 3 is the multiple of 2, 4 is the multiple of 4. Then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So the multiple of 2 are 2, 4, 6 or 8. They are greater than 2 or equal to 2. So equal to 2 and greater than 2. Equal to 3 or greater than 3. Equal to 4 or greater than 4. Then there are infinite number of multiple of a number. So we can extend this series to any number, millions, billions, trillions, jillions. Similarly, we can do it for 3 and 4s. So there are infinite multiple of a number. So let me recapitulate. So every number is a multiple of itself. So 2 is the multiple of 2, 3 is the multiple of 3 and so on. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So the first multiple is same as number, and then we have higher number or greater number than the number as a multiple. And then there are infinite number of multiple of a number. So let's understand with the help of a few examples. So first example, first 5 multiple of 6. So let's see what are the first 5 multiple of 6. 6 multiplied by 1, 6. 6 multiplied by 12, 2, 12. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So first 6 multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Let's understand one more example. Fifth multiple of 7. So fifth multiple of 7 will be 7 multiplied by 5, which will be 35. Common multiple. So let's try to find common multiple of 4 and 6. So firstly, multiple of 4s are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. And then multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18 and 24. So this is the table of 4 and this is table of 6. So we see 12 is common in both the series and 24 is common in both the series. So 12 and 24 are common multiples of 4 and 6, and there would be so many more numbers if we keep on extending this series. So there would be many other number which will be common multiple. Then let's try to find out which is the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 we know is 12. Because there is no number lower than 12 which will become a multiple of 4 and 6 together. 4 cannot be multiple of 4 or 6. 8 cannot be multiple of 4 and 6. So this 12 will be the lowest multiple of both 4 and 6. So let's understand lowest common multiple with the help of a few other examples. So let's try to find out the common multiple of 4 and 6. 4, 8, 12, 16, 6, 12, 18, 24. So we discussed earlier, this 12 is the common lowest common multiple, and we call it LCM as well, is lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. So we have their we have another way to find the lowest common multiple through this table. So let's write 4 and 6 and then we divide it by 2. So if we divide 4 and 6 by 2, we'll get 2 and 3. And then in factor we stop here because there is nothing common in 2 and 3. But when we'll have to calculate lowest common multiple, we keep on going unless there is 1 in the end. So here we can divide 2. So 2 will be 1 and then 3 will write as it is. Then 3 we divide by 3 and we'll get 1. So here now both the number are 1. So we can stop here. LCM or lowest common multiple will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. Let's do one more example. Find LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Let's use table method. So 40, 48, 45. Let's first divide with 2. So 40 can be divided by 2. So it becomes 20. 48 can be divided by 2 also. So if we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. But 45 cannot be divided by 2. We write it as it is. Then we divide them further. So 2. So 20 then can be divided again by 2. We write 10. 24 can be divided by 2, then 12. 45 again cannot be divided by 2. We write it as it is. Then we have 5, 10 and 12 and 45. We can divide 10 by 2. We can divide 12 by 2. The answer will be 6. We cannot divide 45 by 2. So we'll write 45 as it is. Then we have 5, 6 and 45. We know 5 can be divided by 5 and 45 can be divided by 5. So we divide both the number by 5. So 5, if we divide 5 by 5, we'll get 1. If we cannot divide 6 by 5. And if we divide 45 by 5, we'll get 9. So here we see 1, 6, 9. We can divide 6 and 9 by 3. So let's divide these by 3. So we'll write 1 as it is. We'll divide 6 by 3 and we'll get 2. We'll divide 9 by 3 and we'll get 3. So these there is no common, but we'll have to make every number 1. So we divide 2 by 2. Then we'll write 1, 1 and 3. And then we'll divide this 3 by 3. Then it will be 1, 1 and 1. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will be the LCM of 40, 48 and 45, which is 720.